It's time for more on the weather now, and Amelia joins us again. Now, Millsy, after a hot end to January, are we expecting a cool change?
Jane, we are. It'll settle in during the early hours, and we've got cloud building tonight beforehand. Still warm tonight, though. Currently 30 degrees in the city after a top of 35.2 this afternoon. Now, top temperatures were generally above average statewide, aside from in our far north where showers and storms are developing. We're also seeing storms about eastern Eyre Peninsula right about now as a low pressure trough stretches from the Kimberley down into SA, tapping into tropical moisture. Further south, we're looking at a cold front to clip the southeast tomorrow before a high pressure system moves into the picture during the week. Now, interstate, you can see that monsoon trough at work. We've got heavy falls for Broome tomorrow, a storm for Darwin and for Alice Springs as well. In the east, showers possible over Sydney and Melbourne. Back home, showers and storms are most likely to produce heavy falls, maybe flash flooding about our northern pastoral districts, but they could extend as far south as the Flinders. So showers are also a chance further south as well. Now, they should ease over Port Augusta. 26 is the forecast top there. A windy 24 in Ceduna. 23 is the top for Port Lincoln and Murray Bridge. 26 and maybe a morning shower or two in Kadina. 22 is the forecast top for Victor Harbour, Kingscote and for Mount Gambier, and 29 and a possible shower in Renmark. Right now, there is particular concern. Storms could lead to heavy rain over this region here. So the warning for flooding continues across our far north, and tomorrow strong winds are expected across all coastal areas, including out of metro waters where southerlies could reach up to 30 knots north of Grange late in the day, with seas up to that 2-metre mark. In the city, down to 18 degrees overnight, then just 24 the forecast top. Now, we could see a shower with that change in the early hours, probably about our northern suburbs, and you can't rule out the odd early rumble either. Looking ahead, we'll drop to 22 degrees Wednesday. Now, for those playing at home, the average top temperature in February is 28. Then we'll slowly warm back up to 28 on Friday, 33 by this time next week. And before I go, let's take a look at tonight's ray of sunshine. It's not unusual for birds and bugs to sneak some of your pet's lunch, but how about a blue tongue? The lizard spotted tucking into some dog bickies in a Port Lincoln backyard. Meanwhile, at Cleland Wildlife Park, the koala population's been doing a good job keeping cool during today's heat, lazing about in the misters. Now, I very much love my job here at 7 News, but Jane, I want to know how I get the job of that koala. That looks fun.
That does look like a very nice way to spend a hot day, doesn't it, under the misters up at Cleland. Well, that's all the news we have for now. I'll have some updates for you through the evening, but for the time being, from all of us here in the Adelaide 7 newsroom, for now, good night.